Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can insert an image to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentations in a Bevel perspective in 2026. So let us get started. So let's navigate to your presentation on PowerPoint, and as you can see I created or added or inserted an image like this with that 3D reflection called Bevel perspective. This is how you can do it. There are two ways how you can do this, guys. Either way, you will need to access the slide first in your presentation and insert the image. To do that, click into Insert, select Pictures, select this device and locate the file in JPEG or PNG file format to add it to your slide. Position it, select it, and let me show you how to do that with this image here. What you will need to do is navigate to picture format, and option 1 would be or is to select one of these presets here under Picture Styles, expand the menu and select one of the Bevel perspective as presets like this one here, or that one, depending on the one you would like to go with. So I will go with this one here, for example, but you can of course customize this, and that leads us to option number 2. Right click into the given image, select Format Picture, navigate to this menu here, Effects, and expand the 3D format options. And here, guys, you can select the top bevel and bottom level, customize the depth, the contour, the lighting, and so on and so forth, each one with a width and height, custom size, angle. So for the top bevel I will go with, I don't know, this one here, and you will see the preset here, or like this, and do that also for the bottom, just like that, and customize the height and width here. You may also change the depth and the depth size of the given effect. And that's basically it. If you'd like to return to the default settings, select Reset. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.